Welcome back, guys. So I'm going to be covering the third most common cause of an E02 for your LayZRepair inflatable hot tub systems. So third most common cause is your blocked heater blocks from high volumes of calcium in the unit. So when you got your hot tub, a dead giveaway that there's an issue with your hot tub. If you check your B and C seals, like on this one, you can see they're damaged and brittle. So this is a dead giveaway that there's something wrong. So if you can see there that's just breaking away, and these are silicone seals which actually do last longer. But so there's something clearly wrong with this, and I've spoken to the customer, and they've confirmed my fears that they're using tablets, which are just too strong for your hot tub. So if you insist on using tablets, just remember, guys, when your tablet reaches, when your water reaches the required amount of chlorine, you need to be taking that tablet out of the water. If you want to be notified on your phone when the levels come to the correct level, I sell on the website some Bluetooth water monitors, smart water monitors. So you download the app, you put this into your hot tub's water, and this will send all your levels to your phone and your temperature of the spa as well. So pretty nifty little device, and it tells you the pH values as well. So you can, if your hot tub's close to your house, you can monitor this on your phone. So if you insist on using that tablet dispenser, when the chlorine levels reach the right amount of levels in the spa, then you can just pop out and just take the floater out. So grab one of them on the website if you want one. I'll link below as well. It's a smart water monitor, £5 off at the minute on the site. So what we're going to be doing is taking this apart to replace the heater. So the heaters on the website as well, brand new. With PTC heaters. So these work in American tubs as well, guys. So if you've got your American 110 volt, they work on there. Worldwide shipping on these, and you get 2 seals as well. So split the case. So you've got 6 screws around the middle of the case. To split the case, take the top cover off, and that will reveal your workings of your spa, your LayZRepair. So as you can see, this calcium is compromised the seals and this heater block. So you can grab, if these seals are gone, then what you'll need to do, I'd replace all the seals. You've got B and C and your A seals on the website, and you want to grab yourself a water flow sensor seal as well, because this will be compromised and brittle. So we'll be changing that as well for the customer. So we'll be taking these clamps off here, turning it upside down to get access to the pump. So this bottom plate here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and then we'll lift it out and give us access to the water pump. So we'll refurbish that as well. So grab yourself a water pump seals as well, because they will be brittle, just like every single seal in the system will be brittle as well. So we'll get to that. Right, guys, so we've got the top and bottom case off, so it exposes everything you need to get to. So you've got the water pump at the bottom there, PTC heater, your main PCB board, and your water flow switch there. So we'll take this cover off so we can disconnect the heater from the board. Take these 2 clips off, these 2 clamps, untake all your thermal switch cut connections off, unplug all your 2-pin plugs, and then we'll go to the pump. So these are all one-time use Jubilee clip, so you'll have to grab yourself a clip as well. I'll get some of these on the website. I haven't got none on the website in a minute, but I will get some on the website. So Jubilee clip, get rid of that, and then prise that open, and then take your pump away. And I'll skip to that part once it's done. Right, guys, so that's that heater out. Taking the end caps off. As you can see, it's actually been destroyed. But you can see the pitting in the actual aluminium itself. See, there's green tinge to this. There's a green tinge which just tells me there's an algicide as well. They've been using tablets that are for swimming pools, and these are far too strong for hot tubs. These are designed for big swimming pools. And you can see it actually eats the aluminium away, and then that will compromise the seals. Now, if you do take your heater apart and it's not so bad, you can get away with just cleaning it out, and there's no pitting. Then you can just buy on the website a fresh set of seals, and you'll get away with that. You can see these seals are just gone finished. So yeah, you can just grab, if there's no pitting around the fascia, you can grab yourself a set of seals on the website, clean it out, put a fresh set of seals in. But more often than not, they just need, it's just best to replace the actual element itself for a fresh one. Right, so what we'll do is just work in reverse. We've got the new element. We'll put the end caps back on, and get it all back together again. Right guys, so we've got the water flow sensor out to replace the seal. Grab yourself a tube of silicone grease. I use a tub, but you get little, on the website you've got little tubes on there to grease up all your seals for longevity. Also, while you've got this apart, just check that your magnet is not degrading inside of your flow sensor. If you're starting to see orange rust and swelling, and get that changed as well, you can grab one on the website, a water flow kit. It comes with a seal. You can grab one of them on the website so you get a nice fresh paddle as well. That a rusting magnet can also give you an E02 message. So we'll get this back together, and then we'll refurbish the filtration pump. Right guys, so that's the filtration pump apart, stripped down. So I'm going to replace the seal. That's all greased up and ready to go. A new seal there as well. You can get yourself an E02 like impeller kit. This impeller is good to go back in, and the shaft is fine. I've replaced the end bungs because these will perish as well. They can cause you an E02. So you can grab yourself an impeller kit or refurbished kit for this pump as well on the website. So we'll get this back together, and then it's work in reverse. I've already put the heater back in, and then just waiting for the pump to go back in, and then we'll give it a test. Right guys, so that's all back together. Check for leaks, check all your end caps for leaks, check your filtration pump for any leaks. Sometimes you might trap your O-ring on this pipe here, so check all around there for any leaks before you put the case back into the case. That's all running nice and sweet. We'll put the cover on the PCB just before I put it back in the case. All the seals have been replaced, all good to go. So head over to LayZRepair.co.uk for your LayZRepair parts. So this is a video for the second most common cause of an E02, which is a block spring TC heater where it's restricting the water flow. But we've also covered parts of the water flow sensor as well, which can cause your E02, and also your pump, which is your most common cause of an E02. So it's pretty much we've gone over pretty much all of the E02 codes. If you've gone all through them and you're still getting an E02 code, then it's your transformer. So but this is just rip that out literally, and this is M2 cable. This is this one cable for you. That's it. Just rip that out. You can get these on the website as well on the LayZRepair.co.uk. So this is pretty much an all-rounder for your E02 message codes. If you've tried everything that manufacturer recommends, then you come onto this stage, and then you get these E02 sorted out, and you get the parts on the website. So I hope this helped you guys. Put a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe please, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.